In this video, I'll show you how to create and sell Square gift cards. First, sign in to your Square dashboard and open payments or gift cards depending on your dashboard layout. Choose the option to set up Square gift cards and follow the prompts to activate the feature for your business. Next, customize your gift card settings. You can offer digital gift cards, physical cards, or both. Set your preferred gift card design and configure the available purchase amounts. Review your settings, then save your gift card program. After that, make your gift cards available for customers to purchase. For digital cards, customers can purchase them online and receive the gift card electronically. If you offer physical cards, you can sell them directly at your Square location and load the chosen amount onto each card. Now, promote your gift cards by adding them to your online store, sharing the purchase link, or displaying physical cards at your checkout area. When a customer purchases a gift card, Square keeps track of the balance and allows the recipient to redeem it at your business. Finally, monitor your gift card sales and balances from the gift card section in Square dashboard. You can review transactions, check remaining balances, and manage your gift card program whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and sell Square gift cards. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.